Welcome to the PIERRE Academy tutorial. This tutorial covers the installation and setup of the room control display Berlin for efficient climate and device management. Follow these steps for seamless operation, real-time adjustments, and automation. Let's begin. We begin with the power connections. First, we need to establish the line connection by properly routing and securing the wire to the circuit breaker. Ensuring precise placement is key to maintain a stable and reliable power supply. Next, we proceed with the neutral connection, making sure it is aligned correctly to maintain a secure electrical flow. With both line and neutral connections established, we are now ready to connect the Berlin display. At this stage, precision and organization are crucial. We begin by securing the neutral wire, followed by the line connection, ensuring both are fastened properly. Afterward, we meticulously arrange the cables, preventing tangles, obstructions, or misalignment. Proper wire management is essential not only for aesthetics, but also for safety and long-term durability. Once the wiring is secured, we conduct a final verification to confirm that all connections are tight, accurately positioned, and free from potential faults. Now, let's power up the system. We turn on the circuit breaker. The green indicator light confirms that the system is receiving power, and the Berlin module initializes successfully. We allow a few seconds for the unit to fully activate, ensuring proper functionality and responsiveness. Next, we move on to the software setup, using a mobile device, and open the PIERRE app. From the menu, we select Displays and scan the QR code for automatic device detection. The system immediately identifies the Berlin display, allowing us to add a name to it, assign a role. We select the default settings, confirm the assignment, and proceed with saving the configuration. On completion, the Berlin module is now fully integrated into the PIERRE system. We allow a brief moment for network synchronization, ensuring a stable and efficient connection. Once confirmed, the module grants full control over connected devices, enabling real-time adjustments and automation through the PIERRE interface. And that's it! Your room control display Berlin is now fully set up. Thank you for joining PIERRE Academy. See you next time.